We continue to keep our focus on all of the protests that have broken out, particularly after the Abhaya rape and murder case in Kolkata. Today, you had a Citizen Forum protest march taking place in Kolkata as junior doctors of the RG Kar Hospital also joined in, joining the protest demanding justice for Abhaya. On the same day that we've seen incidents of molestation taking place in two other hospitals in Bengal. Now, you had TMC women leaders also holding a dharna in Kolkata. But the TMC's demand is capital punishment for rapist Sanjay Roy, for which they're also going to be bringing in a bill, which many would deem as mere posturing and nothing more. Let's get you a ground report.
Over the rape and murder case of a junior doctor at RG Kar Medical College hospitals, what we can see in Kolkata, a lot of politics are happening. On Sunday, the ruling dispensation has decided to hit the street over this issue. What we can see in Kolkata's Gold Park area, where the women wing of the ruling Trinamool Congress party, they staged dharna pradarshan at this juncture, demanding justice and capital punishment in cases with atrocities against women. In this case, when the matter is with the CBI, the investigations is on, but the TMC is mounting pressure over the central agency. They demand that a speedy trial and speedy investigation. TMC also alleges that the central probing team is unable to give a clarity in which direction the investigation is heading to. Since it's been 20 days past, but what we can see that the opposition parties, be it BJP, Left and Congress, they are also on the streets of Kolkata mounting pressure, demanding resignation of Chief Minister. But amidst this situation, the TMC, when they are facing a lot of trouble, they have decided to hit back those political statements. And many people across the length and breadth of the society, they continue to protest and staging marches, rallies, dharnas in Kolkata's many parts. TMC very significantly mounting pressure on CBI over this issue. With camera person Shamsundar Ghosh, this is Ritik from Kolkata for India Today.
So that ground report by Ritik from the TMC protest, but on your screens right now are live images of the kind of organic protests we've been seeing on the ground in Kolkata. These are citizens, the Citizen Forum that's hit the streets right now demanding justice for Abhaya. You have junior doctors who are colleagues with Abhaya at the RG Kar Hospital who also are part of this protest. And besides that, film stars from the Bengali film industry also standing shoulder to shoulder with every single citizen of Bengal, condemning the horrific rape and murder of Abhaya and demanding justice, while also questioning whether the streets of Bengal are still safe for women or not. Because even as this march is continuing, remember it happens on a day when 4 molestation incidents have been reported in Bengal, which will raise serious questions really about what is happening in the state, which was once considered to be one of the safest in the country for women. Let's get you, in fact, some voices from the ground. Here's Aparna Sen, who is a part of the protest today.
We have, eminent filmmaker Aparna Sen with us. Ma'am, we do see that from the very first beginning, you are staging dharna protest. Three weeks have passed, ma'am. We all are eagerly waiting for the justice. Where the investigation heading towards?
Look, I can't say where the investigation is heading towards. We have the biggest institution of investigation in our country. It's a Central Bureau of Investigation who have taken charge. They are trying to crack, I think, Shandip Ghosh. Good, if they can crack Shandip Ghosh, I will be very happy. They have to find the nexus behind Shandip Ghosh. Now, this can't be done overnight. This will take time. I think we are all getting a little impatient. While I agree that the protest has to go on, the protest must go on without this kind of shouting and without upsetting life in the city, life of the citizens, because there are many people who are daily wage laborers. And what will happen to them? They're not being able to even earn their livelihood. We have to think about all that. I think what is the need of the day is some clarity in thinking. The case rests with the biggest, highest court in the country, the Supreme Court, which is very important, that the Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance. It has given it that much importance. So let's wait. Let's wait a little bit. In the meantime, I think it's very important that we place a charter of demands to the ruling party. At the moment, this is the ruling party. Until that changes, if that changes.
जो है लगातार यहाँ पर आंदोलन कर रही है। थोड़ी देर पहले कोलकाता के कॉलेज स्ट्रीट से धर्मतला की तरफ बढ़ती हुई ये जो रैली है, जिसमें कई सारे चहेते हस्ती बंगाली फिल्म जगत के वो यहाँ पर है, कई सारे महिला हमारे साथ है, आइए उनसे बात करते हैं। देखिए 3 हफ्ता बीत चुका है, अभी तक हम देख सकते कि अभी तक कोई जिससे 3 हफ्ता बीत चुका है, आंदोलन चल रहा है, किस रास्ते ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन बढ़ रही है, काफी सारे राजनीतिक
We want justice! 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 Justice!
मैम क्या देख रहे हैं कि 3 हफ्ता बीत चुका है, अभी तक जस्टिस जो है इसकी मांग पर हम लोग अड़े हुए हैं, किस दिशा में इन्वेस्टिगेशन बढ़ रही है?
पता नहीं, justice! Justice!
लगातार उठती है जस्टिस की मांग। हम देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर कोलकाता की सड़कों पर, मैं आपको बता दूं, ये एक किसी भी तरीके से राजनीतिक बैनर के द्वारा ये रैली नहीं बुलाई गई है। दरअसल सोशल मीडिया के द्वारा इसका कॉल दिया गया है, जिसमें कई सारे बैनर्स जो है हम देख सकते हैं, महिलाओं का बढ़ चढ़ कर इसमें हिस्सेदारी हम देख रहे हैं। कोलकाता के धर्मतला बिल्कुल हार्ट ऑफ द सिटी, एपिसेंटर जिसको कहा जाता है, उसके तरफ बढ़ती हुई ये रैली, जिसमें कई सारे आम इंसान, इनमें से जो है स्टूडेंट्स है, समाज के जो फिल्मी दुनिया के लोग हैं, वो इस पर लगातार आंदोलन कर रहे हैं। मैंने देखा कुछ देर पहले अपर्णा सेन भी इस रैली में शरीक हुए हैं। मैंने उनसे बात की तो उन्होंने कहा कहीं ना कहीं ये दर्शाता है कि अभी भी जो है जिस जस्टिस के मांग पर पूरे शहर जो है आंदोलन कर रहा है, वो नहीं दिल पा रहा है, लेकिन उसके लिए इंतजार करना पड़ेगा, दबाव सरकार के ऊपर है। अपर्णा सेन ने कहा कि हम मानते हैं कि जिस तरीके से लोगों के बीच आक्रोश है, लगातार वो जो है जवाब मांग रही है मुख्यमंत्री से और सरकार से, और उसने ये भी कहा कि इस मामले में जिस तरीके से तमाम राजनीतिक दल सियासत करने में जो व्यस्त है, वो दर्शाती है कि किस तरीके से इस मामले को जो है नजर हटाने की बात की जा रही है। तो इस तरीके के आवाज जो हम लगातार देख रहे हैं कोलकाता की सड़कों पर, चाहे वो इंटेलिजेंसिया हो या फिर आम इंसान, इस मुद्दे को लेकर अभी भी जो है इस मांग पर, जस्टिस की मांग पर, न्याय की मांग पर सड़कों पर है।
Okay, so Ritik getting us a live report there from Kolkata, and as he pointed out, this is a completely organic protest as citizens from all age groups, cutting across all differences, have come together on the streets of Kolkata to demand justice for Abhaya. They've come together to condemn what's happened in the city, in their city essentially, and send out a message to the administration and to the CBI to ensure that anyone who attempted to cover up this crime must also be cracked down upon. Now, part of this protest, you also saw some very, very eminent film artists as well as filmmakers being a part of the agitation. We'll continue getting you voices and getting you those updates from the ground. But let's also tell you what's been happening. It's been 22 days since the rape and murder of Abhaya. And you've seen a lot of politics and protests playing out. The BJP and the Trinamool Congress are also at loggerheads over the investigation. You had, in fact, the TMC staging a protest today, and Minister Shashi Panja has claimed that fake narratives are being spread regarding the horrifying incident. Taking a jibe at BJP's Bandh, the TMC said that the BJP is resorting to hooliganism. Now, the BJP responded immediately, alleging that Mamata did nothing in the rape case and there is a TMC role in covering up the entire case.
मैं ममता के पास बोलूं, उनके पनिशमेंट मिलने के लिए जितने एविडेंस गायब करने के लिए प्रयास ही था उनका पुलिस प्रशासन मिलकर, तो उनका पनिशमेंट देने के लिए कोई बिल लाना पहले जरूरी है, तब वो जो इतने रेप होता है, रेपिस्ट का पनिशमेंट मिलेगा।
या राज्य सरकार ने भी इसमें ध्यान देने की आवश्यकता है। ऐसी घटना अपने राज्य में ना घटे और ऐसे जो अपराधी लोग हैं, ऐसे अपराधी लोगों को फांसी की सजा मिलनी चाहिए। राज्यों को अधिकार है, अगर अपने राज्य में घटनाएं ज्यादा हो रही है तो अगर कानून लाना चाहती है तो उनको कानून लाने का अधिकार है, लेकिन राज्य में शांति होनी चाहिए, राज्य में हर महिला सुरक्षित होनी चाहिए। और इसीलिए मतलब सरकार ने, माननीय ममता बनर्जी तो एक महिला है और उन्होंने महिलाओं की सुरक्षा की तरफ ज्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए।